If you are a sweet lover, then come closer and let's make something sweet. Hello there, this is Mariam. Please join me and let's make this together. In a pan, I pour in condensed milk. I'm using 500 mils. To that, I add 50 grams of butter and also 3 tablespoons of ginger powder, and this is the real deal. The ginger powder is going to take our toffee to another level. So we are going to stir this continuously on medium heat. Hello there. If you're new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. Thank you. At this point, our toffee is almost ready. In fact, it's ready. So I lower my heat. Here I pour oil into a bowl. This is totally optional, okay? Then I transfer the toffee into the bowl. I will then cover it and set it aside. We don't want it to cool down, okay? It's very important you use a non-stick pan to do this, because at the end you'll be able to collect everything in the pan as you are seeing right here. So now I will go ahead and oil my board. We are doing this purposely to prevent the toffee from sticking onto the board, so it's very good you do this. Now I scoop a reasonable amount of the toffee onto the board, and then I cover the bowl, set it aside, and begin to roll. It's very hot, but you have to try your best and then work with it while still hot, because if it cools down, it will become hard and then difficult to work with. So work with it while still hot. After rolling, you allow it to rest for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you go ahead and cut it into your preferred sizes. And this is what I am going in for. Ta-da! We are done, and you are finally welcome to Team Sweet. This is not the chewy type, okay? This is the grr, the crunchy ones. Please don't be addicted, but I hope you're going to give it a try. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye, y'all. Don't be addicted.